Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I am going to do something that's new for my channel, something that I've never done, which is repotting a plant. So I was sent this beautiful ivy plant and it was very green and it looks so good. And lately it just has not been looking good and I don't want to lose it. So someone told me that this pot might be too small for it and that if I take it out of this pot and put it into a larger pot, it may come back to life and I may have more time with this beautiful ivy plant. So I brought a pot that's noticeably bigger than the pot that the ivy is currently in. And I just got a regular potting soil mix. And I don't see any holes at the bottom. Oh, okay. It looks like there are some holes at the bottom. So I am gonna take the dirt. I'm not even sure how much, because again, this is my first time. So if you know of ways I could have done it differently, feel free to leave them in the comments. So I'm gonna take the dirt. I feel like that might be a good amount. A little bit more.
I would say about half.
Halfway? Okay. So there we go. Put more dirt. Got it kind of halfway. Now, we are going to take the ivy plant. Hopefully it will come out easy. Oh, I feel so bad. I hear that crinkling noise. So much of it is gone already. But just kind of...
Take it by the middle. Take it by the middle roots.
Okay.
From the top. And just shake it.
All right. Here we go. Look at that.
What you should do is break it up.
Okay.
The bottom part.
I wanted to put a little bit outside too, no?
Hmm?
I want to save some and put some outside and clean
no.
it. No? Okay. So, oh, there's a lot of roots in here.
On the bottom.
Do you see all the roots? Lots of roots. Kind of breaking it up so that the roots have places to grow, I guess, in here. Again, I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I'm just kind of filling what seems to be natural. Okay, so I broke up the roots a little bit, pulled it apart a little bit, broke it. Still kind of moist because I have been washing it. I mean watering it, I'm sorry. So, okay, so now we got it in our big pot. And I guess I'm gonna take more dirt.
I would say pull it up and put more dirt in. And then,
Really?
yeah.
Okay.
Before.
Why?
How you gonna put the dirt on top of the roots? There you go. Let me hold it for you.
Okay. Now add more dirt?
Yes, add more dirt. And then like create like a circle in the middle. Put it to
Oh, for it to go in.
Yeah.
In the circle.
Yes.
Okay.
There you go.
I would not have known that. Thank you, hubby. Okay.
Flatten it out. I mean, if you want to put more
Getting
dirt, you might
dirty.
as well, so the plant can sit on the top. You might as well put more dirt.
Okay. But how are we gonna do our little circle?
Just like that. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And I still can't break any to put some in the front yard to see if it grows better outdoors?
No, because I'm just going to cut it with the lawnmower.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, so here we go.
In the middle.
We need a big circle in the middle. Now we're just gonna drop it in. Okay. Oh, and it is sitting on top. All right.
Can you make the circle any deeper so this can be flush?
I'm trying.
Yeah, hold it up.
Not really, because it just kind of, okay.
That's good. Watch
There you
it.
go. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
All right, so now it's in it right on top. There's plenty of space for the roots to grow deeper. I'll just grow them like this so the ones that are dead could kind of fall right off. Oh, I don't like that noise because that means that those are dead.
We'll go back.
So that feels good. There are some pieces that are still really green.
Shave them off like that.
Okay. There we go.
You got some sweetener to do.
You do. There we go. And I have my little globe with water. I don't know if it'll help much because it's so small, right? If I put water in here, but...
No, not right now. You're
Not right
going to
now.
water it.
Okay. So there we go. Good. Add some water.
Wait. No, you said there's holes on the bottom?
Yes.
You can't put water on it. You need something to go underneath that thing.
Okay.
Grab one of the flat
So I was going to
plates.
put it...
Yeah, but does that fit on the plate?
No.
So get a bigger plate.
Okay.
One of those square plates.
All right.
Square plastic plates.
So we will get a plate. We will put it under here. We will water it, and we will hope that they
Comes back to life.
come back to life, nice and green and shiny. We'll put it right in front of the window, and we'll see how it goes. So this was my attempt at repotting an ivy plant. Please like, subscribe, leave comments on how you think this is going to go.
Nice
Anything
comments.
I should have done differently, and I promise to respond. Thanks, everyone.